Okay, suppose f is continuous and differentiable on this interval and f of 3 is minus 4, and we are given that the derivative is less than or equal to 10 for all x. Then we are asked what is the largest value possible for f of 9. Now we can think it this way. So suppose this was not less than or equal to but exactly 10, then this means the function is a constant not a constant function but a straight line. Okay, its slope is 10, so the function is something like this: minus 4 plus 10x. In this case, f of 9, we can compute it to be minus 4. This is not right. 10 minus x minus 3, right? So minus 4 plus 10 times 6, which is 56. So the largest possible value is 56, but let's use the mean value theorem, okay? So suppose since the function is continuous and differentiable, we know that there exists c in this interval 3 and 9, for which f prime of c equals f9 minus f3 divided by 9 minus 3. We don't know what f9 is, but we know what f3 is. It is minus 4. So we also know that f prime of c is less than or equal to 10. So f9 plus 4 is less than or equal to 60, which means f of 9 is less than or equal to 56.